Logan, are you decorating your pumpkin? Whoa, you put all your spiders on it? Good job. Do you want Mommy to open your paint for you? You would like the red opened? Here you go. You can color on your pumpkin. Good job.
Icon.
Pumpkin. So far you have spiders, and now you're coloring on it, huh? Good job. Would you like another color? Want me to open the blue or the green?
Whoa. Logan, look. That's the inside of the pumpkin.
Whoa.
Yeah. You want to see the inside of the pumpkin?
Whoa.
You want to feel it?
Want to touch?
No.
Sure. Just put your hand in there.
Feel it. It's squishy.
Oh, you don't want to touch it?
See?
No.
Pumpkin seeds.